In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. If you're encountering a pesky 404 error on your GitHub Pages site, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. The good news is that this is typically an easy fix. Follow along, and we'll make sure your website gets back up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, look to the top corner of your screen for your profile icon. Go ahead and click that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Your Repositories. This will take you to a list of all the repositories you have. Now, scroll through this list and click on the specific repository that's displaying the 404 error. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in your repository, you'll see a row of tabs at the top of the page. Locate and click on the Settings tab. This area houses various options for managing your repository, including the settings for GitHub Pages. Now here's the key part. Look for the Pages section in the left sidebar. This is where we can troubleshoot the 404 error. When you click on Pages, you'll see the options related to how your GitHub Pages site is set up. Next, we need to check the branch settings. Under what's labeled as the Build and Deployment Source section, you should see a drop-down menu. Make sure that this is set to the branch you want to serve your website from. Commonly, this will be the main branch. Along with that, ensure that the folder is set to root, indicated by a /. If it's set to something else, you are likely to encounter that dreaded 404 error. If you find that you needed to make any adjustments, don't forget to click the Save button. This is crucial because without saving, none of your changes will take effect. Now that you've made the necessary changes, it's important to note that it may take a few minutes for GitHub to process your request. So don't worry if your site doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a little time, and soon enough it should be live again at the URL you provided. And there you have it. You've successfully addressed the 404 error on your GitHub Pages site. Remember that troubleshooting can sometimes be a trial and error process, so if the problem persists, check that your repository doesn't have any other misconfigurations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle more exciting tech topics.